Seniors, just one daily habit to restore muscle strength like you're 40. Again, Senior Health. Good day, friends. As we age, we often experience a decline in muscle strength, energy, and overall vitality. But imagine for a moment, what if you could restore your muscle strength to the level you had in your 40s? What if there was one simple habit that could help you regain strength, boost energy, and improve your overall health? Well, today, we're going to talk about that very habit, the one daily habit that seniors can adopt to restore muscle strength and vitality, helping you feel younger and more energized every day. This is a powerful and straightforward approach to help you take control of your muscle health and start feeling like you're 40 again. It's never too late to start, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Section 1. The importance of muscle strength in senior health. 1.1 The effects of aging on muscle mass. As we age, we experience a natural decline in muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. This loss of muscle tissue typically begins around age 30, and by the time we reach our 70s or 80s, it can significantly affect our strength, balance, and overall mobility. Why does this happen? Hormonal changes, like a decrease in growth hormone and testosterone, inactivity or lack of regular physical activity, nutrient deficiencies, particularly protein, inflammation, and chronic diseases that can negatively impact muscle health. These changes can affect your ability to do daily tasks, such as walking, climbing stairs, and even getting out of a chair. But the good news is, it's never too late to improve muscle health with the right habit in place. 1.2 The importance of maintaining muscle strength as you age. Why is maintaining muscle strength so critical as we get older? Stronger muscles help seniors in the following ways: improved mobility and balance, reducing the risk of falls; better metabolism, as muscle mass is directly linked to a higher metabolic rate; enhanced quality of life, allowing you to stay active and independent for longer; better cardiovascular health, as regular muscle use improves blood circulation and heart function. Muscle strength isn't just about looking good, it's about living better and living longer. Section 2. The one daily habit to restore muscle strength. 2.1 The power of resistance training. The key habit for muscle restoration. The one daily habit that can restore your muscle strength is resistance training, also known as strength training. This includes exercises that challenge your muscles by making them work against an external force, such as weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. Why resistance training works. Resistance training stimulates muscle growth by causing small tears in muscle fibers, which then heal and grow stronger. Improves bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Increases strength, flexibility, and stability, which are essential for maintaining independence. It activates muscle fibers that typically don't get used with everyday activities, leading to better overall strength. To point to how much should you be doing, you don't need to spend hours in the gym to get results. Just 20 to 30 minutes a day, focusing on key muscle groups, is enough to see significant improvements in strength, mobility, and muscle mass. It's all about consistency. Recommended routine for seniors. Frequency: 3 to 4 times a week with rest days in between. Duration: 20 to 30 minutes per session. Intensity: start with light weights or resistance bands, then progressively increase intensity over time. To point 3 examples of simple resistance exercises. Chair squats: stand in front of a chair, squat down as if you're going to sit, and then stand back up. This simple movement works your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Wall push-ups: stand against a wall and do push-ups, which will help work your chest, arms, and core without too much strain. Leg lifts: sit in a chair and extend one leg at a time, holding 4-5 seconds before lowering it back down. This strengthens the lower legs and improves circulation. Bicep curls: using light dumbbells or resistance bands, perform bicep curls to strengthen your arms. Lunges: hold onto a chair for balance and step forward into a lunge. Alternating legs: these exercises can be modified for your level of fitness and are a great way to start your day. Section 3. The science behind strength training and aging. 3.1 The science of muscle growth in seniors. As you age, muscle growth may seem slower than it once did, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. Studies have shown that seniors can still build muscle, even later in life, if they engage in resistance training. Muscle fiber recruitment. As we age, we lose the ability to recruit fast-twitch muscle fibers, but strength training helps activate them, leading to increased strength and better muscle function. Protein synthesis. Resistance training increases protein synthesis, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth. Hormonal response. Even in older adults, strength training can increase the release of growth factors, like IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor, which are essential for muscle repair. 3. Point to the role of nutrition in supporting muscle growth. Muscle growth and recovery depend not only on exercise, but also on proper nutrition. The key nutrients for supporting muscle strength are protein. Ensuring adequate protein intake is essential for muscle repair and growth. Seniors should aim for at least 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. Healthy fats. Fats are necessary for hormone production, including the hormones that promote muscle growth. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin D is crucial for muscle function, and calcium supports bone health, which is interconnected with muscle strength. Including lean meats, fish, dairy, legumes, nuts, and whole grains in your diet will provide the necessary nutrients to fuel your muscle health. Section 4. Other lifestyle factors to support muscle strength. 4.1 The importance of rest and recovery. Rest is just as important as exercise. Sleep and recovery allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. As you engage in resistance training, make sure to get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Allow at least 4-8 hours of rest between strength training sessions to give muscles time to recover. 4. Point to staying active throughout the day. While structured exercise is crucial, staying active throughout the day is also important. Avoid being sedentary for long periods. Try to take short walks after meals. Stand up and stretch every hour if you're sitting for extended periods. Perform light housework or gardening, which can also engage muscles and improve strength. 4.3 Mental health and well-being. Your mindset plays a critical role in your physical health. Stress management, positivity, and community involvement all contribute to better overall health. Seniors who maintain social connections, engage in hobbies, and manage stress effectively tend to enjoy a better quality of life and higher muscle function. Section 5. Real-life success stories. 5.1 Testimonials and experiences. In this section, we can share real-life success stories of seniors who've restored their muscle strength through consistent strength training. A 70-year-old woman who began strength training and regained the ability to lift her grandchildren. A 65-year-old man who noticed improved mobility after incorporating daily resistance training into his routine. These personal stories will help inspire viewers and demonstrate the effectiveness of the daily habit to restore your muscle strength like you're 40 again. All it takes is commitment to a daily habit of resistance training. By adding this simple practice to your routine, you can regain strength, boost your energy, and improve your overall quality of life. It's never too late to start, and you don't have to push yourself to extremes. Just start where you are and build consistency. Remember, your muscles can grow stronger, no matter your age. Start today and give yourself the gift of strength and vitality. Here's to feeling your best at any age. Encourage viewers to share the video, leave comments with their thoughts or experiences, and subscribe for more health-related content.